Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, certainly some updates need to be done here. First thing I'm going to do is just get rid of that level up there. Sure, it still pertains, just not relevant right now and from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the big update here that needs to be done comes about based on just a very basic rule in the world of charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And going into the day, that level right around the 1260-ish mark was definitely very important, but with the price now breaking below it, if there is any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, 1265 will be that first key level that'll need to be broken. And if the price can break above that area, then the next key level you'd want to immediately turn your attention to is that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average, which is currently valued essentially right up there at the $13 mark. But as of right now, that's way too premature to really even be talking about that, because first the price just has to stabilize out and get above that 1260-ish area, and then at that point it makes a little bit more sense. But either way, those are going to be the two main levels of resistance headed into next week. As far as levels of support, as of now, nothing until really $12.15, give or take. The price has essentially entered no man's land. I mean, you go back here through the history of the chart, and there just aren't any other major data points that suggest any sorts of areas of support. Now, that doesn't mean that it's for sure guaranteed to go down to 12.15. I'm just saying, like I said, there just isn't anything else there that really would offer up any sort of clues as to, oh yeah, well, it could bounce there. It could stop going down there. So that'll be the level that really stands out. But as far as the very nice movement here is concerned, this has just officially been a dead cat bounce. And I can say that because, well, at this point, the price has literally fallen right back inside of the channel that it broke out of in the first place. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with true power are not going to go back to where they were. They're going to make some sort of form of progress forward. And this one just isn't making progress. It's literally fallen right back into that channel. But we'll see what next week brings. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.